I want to show you something that I'm making. What I'm doing is I'm taking these old push rods that we pulled out of old Mac, and I'm welding them to this angle iron. And what it's gonna do is gonna hold these flapper disc and grinder wheels and cutoff disc. That's what it's gonna hold. What you think about it?
All this crap.
It is a lot of crap. That weld's still hot. And it's got a hole in the glove. All right, now all I gotta do is drill a couple holes, find out where we're gonna mount it, and throw all those discs on.